Welcome back to Charleston New Homes Guide, Ride with a Guide. I'm Keely Burd, your local new construction expert. Today I'm with Pulte Builders at Webb and Point Hope. I'm going to be taking you on a tour of their Scenic Series of homes. 3 homes to choose from. We've got 2 models outfitted here. These homes range from 1,400 square feet. They go into the 2,000, and they come at such an incredible value, all-in pricing starting at $600,000. There's a lot of different opportunities to upgrade and flex. I cannot wait to show you. Let's get started on our tours. Welcome to the Compass and the Scenic Series of homes here by Pulte at Webb Point Hope. Starting off at 1,400 square feet, they are really packing a lot of value into this house. You can also add a second story, as you will see in this model, and bring it up to 2,059 square feet if you just need that extra little push. But they are really giving you everything that you need in a smaller footprint. I cannot wait to show you the value of these homes. Let's get inside and get started. There is a generous size covered patio, and we lead right into the living spaces here. There is a designated, really quaint, cute office area. I like how it has such a nice separation here. So if you did want to work or have a little quiet space, you could. The Compass model is shown with the loft feature, which we will get to, but we are walking right into the heart of the home, the main living and dining areas, and there is a nice seamless flow to this layout. Oak tread stairs lead us to this optional loft. So, this is what we're talking about with these plans being able to flex and flow to your needs, bringing a whole bedroom and living space to this floor plan. So that will take it up to a 3-bedroom. And of course, we have a dedicated bathroom here, nice modern tile selections, even more storage, and just a great area to use as a secondary hangout space. Off the finished 2-car garage, we have a really private guest bedroom here. It's nice and tucked on the side of the house away from any of the other areas. It has access to this full hall bath, loving the modern selections that they're putting in the kitchens and bathrooms here, and a really nice, lovely, dedicated washing space with the cabinets above. Love that. Really easy living in this house. We flow seamlessly from the living into the dining area, and of course, the heart of the home, which is this kitchen. Starting at 1,400 square feet. And this is going to be the kitchen that everybody gets. You get a nice pantry, awesome quartz countertops with a huge island. This is great for entertaining. We've got natural gas stainless steel appliances. And again, just such a nice flow to this layout. As we enter the owner's suite here, you can see there is even more storage. We've got a lovely retreat, tray ceiling. They've really done some nice selections in these models to show you just how you can live in these gorgeous homes, always getting that light with that extra transom window, really thoughtful design here. And of course, an oversized closet that they're bringing the flooring into, as we know, and a standard dual vanity. There's such great standard features in these houses. So even if you don't go all out, you're going to get some really nice luxury touches that Pulte's bringing to the table. So we know that this is a standard feature, the covered lanai, but these homes have so many options. You can kick out to have a sunroom, you can make a screen porch, and they're really inviting you to build the home of your dreams. And they've outfitted this house with a fire pit and an outdoor eating area. And that's what this is. This is going to be a community that brings everybody together. They want you to enjoy your homes, enjoy the amenities and everything that Webb has to offer. Pulte is not skimping on any of the designs or luxury features that you're seeing in the other models, but really giving it to you in a nice compact square footage. If you need some extra livability, there's always the opportunity to add a second floor. And I can see why people really love this series of homes. There is so much value packed into these 3 floor plans. Welcome to the Hallmark model in the Scenic Series here at Webb Point Hope. This home can start at 1,581 square feet and flex to 1,722 square feet. This is a great model, and I love how they've put attention to the privacy and the livability. I cannot wait to show you what they've done with the sunroom, so let's get inside and check it out. Welcome to the Hallmark model in the Scenic Series of homes. We're greeted by this lovely tiled drop zone and a closet. So formal entry, and this house is one of the ones that does not offer a second story, but they're delivering some great spaces. We have a really lovely kitchen here, double oven, features like the hood vent and a really modern backsplash selection. We've got all natural gas appliances, a large quartz countertop, and that divided apron sink. We also have a really fun selection here in this laundry area off of the two-car finished garage. They're adding the cabinets and a utility sink in here, which is such a functional feature. There's a really private guest quarters in this home. So, bedrooms one and two share a full bathroom. And you can see that they kind of did that as an office. So, there's so many ways to flex these spaces to meet the individual's needs. Really well appointed shared bath there, and just really nice private guest rooms one and two. A dedicated dining space flows right into the main living areas. Something I love about the Hallmark model is that they went ahead and opted for the sunroom. You can pop all these windows open, and on a nice low country day like today, bring your outdoor living inside. From this extension, we go into the primary suite. Standout feature in here for me are the design elements, the private location, that view in the back. We are loving this bathroom here. Check out this beautiful tile. We've got a nice closet. You know they're bringing the flooring into the closets, which is such a great feature. Transom window in this shower and a frameless door. Of course, you know that the dual vanity is a standard feature in all of these homes, and there is a private water closet as well. From this optional sunroom, we are going to step out onto a wonderful paved area. So they've designed this to showcase what you could do when the home is yours. You can add extra living and dining spaces if wanted, and there's a beautiful outdoor fireplace. So Pulte wants to show you that you can really come in here and customize these floor plans, make them your own, and find the home of your dreams here at Point Hope Del Webb. The Hallmark model highlights everything Pulte is trying to deliver in this Scenic Series. You know, everybody loves these homes because of their value, but they're also so great because there is such an ease of livability within them, and you don't have to sacrifice any of those luxury items that you're looking for. There's so much opportunity to customize and make the house truly your own. On-duty agents would love to see that dream come true, and they can take you on a tour of all the models here at Webb Point Hope. Thanks for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide and touring the Scenic Series of homes here at Webb Point Hope. I love that they are packing so much value into these homes, and they're really giving you all the design elements and spaces that you're needing without too much square footage and a really great ease of livability. These two and all other models are available to see every day, so make an appointment or pop on in, and we'll see you on the next Ride with the Guide.